Which unlinked code can you use to replace Netflix on your Android TV? Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and this is another super interesting video that I'm going to be talking about using unlinked code to replace Netflix on your Android TV. So if you find a video helpful, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So if you have been looking for Netflix alternatives on your Android TV, or if you have been looking for ways to replace Netflix on your Android TV, then this video is going to show you an unlinked library or the best unlinked library to use to replace Netflix or use as an alternative to Netflix on your Android TV. So make sure to watch the video right up to the end, and if you find it helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. And also, just to add, if you want to support the channel, you can send me a super thanks. I'm going to be grateful to you for that. I've been receiving lots of subscribers lately, and I just want to thank you all for sharing the channel and helping it grow so far. But enough about that, let's go ahead to the part of the video in which I know you are interested in. Now, for us to install the Unlinked app, or for us to type in the Unlinked library code, we need the Unlinked app. And for us to get the Unlinked app, we need the download application, because it's the download application that we're going to use to install Unlinked. So install downloader is very simple. If your TV is an Android TV, or if you have an Android operating system, just go over to your browser and search downloader. So when you search downloader, you're going to get the application here. Here's over here. Just cover your type and click on this. So you're going to get a downloader app. Here's it over here. And it says I visit this often. So it has 33,000 downloads from here. I think I should contribute more than 100 from there. So go over here and just install the application. It's very simple to install from your browser. Please, I'm doing this because my TV has an Android operating system. If you're using a smart TV, this is not going to work for you. Please, this only works on Android TV or on a TV that has an Android operating system. So once you install downloader app, this is how it's going to install your Android TV. It is very easy to use. Just go over here and install it. And once you install it, just go ahead and open it. Now, if you don't know what downloader is an application that helps you to install other apps or go to websites by just typing a short downloader code. It's the best way to navigate on your Android TV, because you know that typing on Android TV is very troublesome or wholesome. So downloader is very easy to use. You can just go into an app or to a website by just typing in a code instead of typing in the name of the application or the URL to the application. So just go over here and type in a code. So for instance, go over here and type in this code. Now we want to install the Unlinked application. The code to install Unlinked application is 10381. So that is the code 10381. Please, you can screenshot the code, or you can just write it down on a piece of paper if you don't want to forget it, or if you're watching this on your Android TV. So 10381 is the code to install Unlinked. Just type in the code and you go ahead and launch. So this is how code works. Once you type in the code on downloader and launch, just going to go ahead and install the application that is supported on that code. So for instance, in this case, it's the Unlinked application, which is going to start downloading and installing right now. Just give it a couple of seconds for the application to download and install. So once it's downloaded, this is downloading. Once it's downloaded, just click on install to your Android TV, and the application is going to install without any problem. So here's it installed. Please, once installed, don't open it straight away. Go over here and delete the app file on your Android TV to save space. So here's it. Once that's done, you can return home. And if I come over to my apps over here, you're going to see the Unlinked application down here. So here's the application. So now there are lots of other libraries that you can use on Unlinked. As a matter of fact, I've created a couple of videos about Unlinked, and I created a video that I think you're going to be interested in. It is titled Top 7 Working Unlinked Codes that I might try out this year. So in the video, I compiled 7 different Unlinked libraries or codes that are working, they can use on your Android TV or phone or whatever device you're using to get the Unlinked or to get apps on Unlinked. So just check the top of the screen right here right now. You're going to see the video is going to share with you top 7 different Unlinked libraries. In this video, I'm just going to show you just one Unlinked library, but in that video, you're going to see 7 different libraries that you can use. Now, in this video, I'm just going to show you the library that I will use if I'm looking for a way to replace Netflix or a Netflix alternative. So the library in this case is come over here and type in this library. It's called Fire Stick. Fire Stick. Please, no space is one word, Fire Stick. I've gotten people telling me the code doesn't work, and it's because they typed it with space in. Please, there is no space. There is no space, please. It's Fire Stick. So type in Fire Stick and no space at the end also. Once you type in Fire Stick, just go ahead and launch. Now, please, this is just one code. There are different other codes. So now, please, there is something I want to beg with you. I've gotten lots of problem creating videos like this on link, because when I create a video like this, YouTube doesn't want my video to show. So please, I'm going to try my best to blur everything possible. This is just to make sure that the video stays on YouTube. If I don't blur it, then you'll not be able to see the video on YouTube because it won't stay on YouTube. So that's why I'm blurring the video right now. But if you follow the sound of my voice, I'm going to directly on what you should do once you come over here. Just make sure to install the Unlinked application as I showed you. Type in the Fire Stick code as I showed you, and if you follow what I'm going to direct here, you're going to go straight away to where I want you to go. You're going to see the apps that you can use as Netflix alternatives on your Android TV. So that's it. Please, let's go ahead, and please do not get pissed off by the fact that I am blurring this. It's just to make sure that my video stays on YouTube. So as you go over here, one thing I just want to let you know is that all the applications in this library are all updated to 2025. So even though you should still use a VPN to stay secure on the internet, because it's very important as an Android TV user to use a VPN to stay secure on the internet. It protects you for a lot of security concerns on the internet, like someone trying to get access to your TV. Don't worry about this library because all the applications are all updated. But please still use a VPN. In the description of this video, I've added a VPN they can use to stay secure on the internet. Now, as you go over to this library, it's called Fire Stick, and as I said, all the applications here are all updated. The library is called New Tech Apps. So I come over here, just click on Enter, and it's going to bring you to this category of different applications. There are lots of applications here. I don't even know how many applications are here, but there are lots of them. So as you go over to the category, there are different categories here of all applications, from the categories that you're interested in to more categories that you might not even be interested in. But once you go over the application, here's what you should do. Come over to the category number 2, the second category, or the category the second category on the list. Now, if you come over to the second category on the list, you're going to find about 12 applications here that you can use as alternatives to Netflix. So if you're looking for alternatives to Netflix, one of these applications might give you what you're looking for, because they are best used as alternatives to Netflix if that's what you want. So just come over to this application, or come over to this category and come over to the second category. You're going to get what you want. So that's it about this video, and I've showed you the library that you might be interested in. If you're interested in more on link libraries, make sure to check out the video I talked about 7 working on link codes that you might want to use on your Android TV to create whatever application you're looking for. This video is just based on those who are looking for an alternative to Netflix. If you are, then this video would have been interested to you if you followed everything as I showed you step by step. If you watch the video right up to this end, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. And also, please, if you want to support my channel, you can send me a super thanks, and I'll be very grateful to you for it. So that's it about this video. Subscribe for more important videos like this.